Hello and welcome to this week's AB Tutor video. Sometimes it can be very useful to be able to communicate with your clients either through voice or text. AB Tutor makes this very easy with a range of chat options. The simplest of these is the send message action. This allows you to send a single message to any selected clients, which will appear in a pop-up dialog box on the client machine. The recipient can close this box, or it will automatically time out after the specified time. You can adjust how your name appears and set a message. You can also retrieve previous messages using the drop-down. If you want to remove an old message, select it, right-click on the field, and then select either Remove to delete it from the list or Remove All to wipe the list completely. These messages don't allow the recipient to respond. If you want to allow replies, you can use the text chat action. This starts a two-way chat between yourself and the selected clients. By default, all clients will see all messages from the console. However, only the console will see the messages from clients. If you tick the Allow Chat Between Members box, your client users will see any messages from other clients as well, allowing them to have a supervised conversation together through AB Tutor. Once again, you can specify how your name appears in the chat window. The top panel of the window shows which clients are involved in this chat session, allowing you to have multiple chats open with different clients if you so wish. When the console user closes their chat window, the chat windows on the clients will automatically close as well. The third type of chat is the audio chat. This allows the console user to talk to their clients using their microphone and speakers, and is intended for use with remote learning or if all the client users have headphones on. Again, the top part of the window shows which clients are involved with the audio chat, but the options at the bottom are slightly different. You can choose your sound device if you have more than one, and the bars and test button allow you to ensure that your sound devices are working. You can also choose whether these options appear on your clients or whether it simply uses the default audio devices. Finally, on the right, you can choose whether this is a one-way broadcast session, meaning the clients will hear you but won't be able to reply, or a two-way chat, which means that all clients can hear the console and the console can hear all clients, but the clients won't be able to hear each other. Clicking on these buttons will start the audio chat session. Once it's running, you can click the stop button or close the window to end it. These features allow you to communicate with your group in whatever way works best in your situation, and hopefully will allow you to keep tabs on how they're getting on. I hope this video has answered all your questions about these features, but as always, if you have any questions, please let us know by emailing support@abtutor.com and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.